Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share file in Google Drive with others. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Google Drive. So you want to head over to google.com, guys, and once you're here, ensure that you sign into your account. Once you sign in, you'll see that you have your profile picture on the upper right hand side and so much more. So click the Google Apps here on the upper right hand side, and you want to look for Drive and open up Drive. Right now, once you're here, you will have files stored there if you have files, or if not, you can go ahead add files there. To add files is pretty easy. Yeah, you can go ahead and you can create new folders if you want. You can simply click the new in the upper right hand side and you can create new folders, or you can go ahead and choose from your computer. To upload files from your computer, it's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let me just minimize this for a moment. Let me right click on the desktop here, and I will create a new folder. And let's say I'm call this folder test, and inside this test folder, let's say I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a new file. Let's call it a text file or text document, and I'm going to leave it as that. So there's a new file there inside this folder, and let's say I want to share this folder with someone. I can easily grab that folder here and I can share it. So let me go to my desktop, and let's find that folder. Right, so it's a test document. Here it is, and I'm going to drag it here, and you will see once I drag it that gives me the option that it's going to upload to Drive. So you can simply go ahead and drag that. So here it shows upload to my Drive. Simple go ahead, and here you see that it start to upload. So here's a test document that's uploaded, and it is there. So if I go ahead and refresh here, you will see that the folder is there. Right, so I have the folder, you have the document, and it's there as a folder here. So that's it. So how I go ahead and share this with someone, it's pretty easy. I can share the entire folder, or I can share the file. So I can go ahead and I can open that text document, and I can right click on this and I can click on share, and here you have the option. You can share a link, or you can just go ahead and add the person's email address. So you can share this as a link by copy the link here, and you'll be able to share this. Also, another way to have more control over this document and how you share and what level of access you give to them, you can right click and you can go to share. You'll receive a pop-up here, and from here you can choose the person, what they see. You can put their email address. So let's say I'm going to add an email address. I'm going to simply add an email address here. Right, I'm adding an email address, and once I select that email address, and you can select multiple email addresses, right, you can choose to notify the person, you can choose the access that they have, and you can simply click this drop down and you can choose whether you want to give them a viewer, commenter, or editor access. So let's say I want this person to have editor access so they can edit a file. Then you can just leave it as that and click on send. You can click on send and they'll receive an email, and I will show you what that emails look like because I use a real email address. So I can click on send, and you can also even copy the link and give to them. So I send the link. So I'm going to show you how you would do it if you want to copy the link. So you would click on share, and here you will choose the person email address, and you have the option to copy the link right here. Right, so now let me head over to the next account and show you what that emails look like when you share it with a person, what that person would receive. So I'm going to open up my account here, and if I go to Gmail here real quick, and here you will see that I have the email address, and here you'll see that I received a document and it says item shared with, and you can see the name of the document, and you can see from which email address it came from and who, and I can easily open up this file. So if I click on it, I can simply open up, and that will take me over to the document where I can basically play with it, do whatever I want with it. So that this was exactly the document, and because I have the editor's rights, I can click the three dots, I can rename the file, I can download the file, and so much more, right? And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and share file in Google Drive with others. Very easy and very simple.